Last step is lip balm because I hate dry lips. So I put like a nice layer of lip balm.
Kriti Sanon says that she doesn't like dry lips, and we know dry lip is amongst the big challenges we face during winter season. Now, after getting inspired by her, let's look at some of the moisturizing and hydrating lip balms that will keep your lips hydrated all day long. First we have is Maybelline Baby Lips Dr. Rescue. This cult favorite gives you a glossy finish while soothing dry lips with menthol and other healing ingredients. It is perfect for everyday wear. It's no wonder Kriti loves a quick fix for the lips, and this works wonders. Second is Burt's Bees Beeswax Lip Balm. It is packed with natural beeswax and vitamin E. This lip balm nourishes and gives a subtle glossy shine. It's a great option for a natural and a glossy look, just like Kriti's no makeup vibe. Vaseline Lip Therapy Rosy Lips. Vaseline's lip therapy gives your lips a soft rosy glow while locking in moisture. The pink tint makes it a subtle and a glossy choice, ideal for soft everyday look. Next we have is Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. Though this mask is perfect for nighttime, its deep hydration gives your lips a luscious, glossy appearance. With ingredients like hyaluronic acid, it's no wonder Kriti relies on this for her smooth lips. Last but not the least is Hyphen. When it comes to keeping your lips soft, smooth and well hydrated, Hyphen Lip Balm is an absolute game changer. With its rich, nourishing formula, this lip balm is perfect for everyday use, offering long-lasting moisture and a smooth finish. So taking a cue from Kriti, hydration is the first step to achieving that hydrating lips and a beautiful pout. Which lip balm will you try? Let us know in the comments below. If you're watching this video on Instagram, check our product link in bio, and on YouTube, check the description box. For more such videos, keep subscribing to Time Shopping Guide, your guide to smarter shopping.